Hello everyone, I'm Eve and welcome to F. If you've ever wanted to speak English confidently for interviews or communicate fluently in everyday life, you're in the right place. Don't worry if you're a beginner or if you're afraid of making mistakes. Every fluent English speaker started exactly where you are today. Here on EnglishGF, I'll help you learn English through lessons, real-life conversations, useful vocabulary, pronunciation tips, grammar, and confidence-building speaking practice. Remember, you don't need perfect English, you just need the confidence to start speaking. So, I have one small request for you. Watch every video on our channel, practice with me every day, and you'll improve your English faster than you think. If you're ready to speak English with confidence, subscribe to EnglishGF, turn on the notification bell, and join our growing learning community. See you in the next lesson!